In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to receive money on your Cash App. Now, it's a nice and quick and easy tutorial. The first thing you need to do is just head over to the Cash application and then select your profile icon in the top right hand side. Scroll all the way down to limits and select this. And inside of here, you'll see all of the limits that were currently allowed on your account. Now, as you can see down here under receive, this is how much I can receive on this account per month. If you've exceeded this limit, then you won't be able to receive any more money. Now, whether you're within your limits or you've exceeded your limits, you'll also need to verify your identity at the top here. By doing this, it will also give you higher limits as well. So make sure to do this, as this can be one of the main reasons you're unable to receive money. So you just need to go through the steps on the screen to confirm your identity. Once you've verified your account, we can come back out of here. Head back inside of settings and then scroll down to linked banks, and you just want to make sure that you have an active debit card linked to your account. If your debit card's expired or you don't have an account set up here, then this could be another reason you're unable to receive payments. If you have tried that and it's still not working, the only thing left to do is come all the way down to support at the bottom here. From these categories, select payment, click on receiving payments, click on receiving a payment at the top, and then you'll just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select chat. In this chat box, you'll need to reach out to a support member. So you can just type in a message, something like, "Hi, I'm unable to receive payment on my account. Please help me," and then just press send. And you'll need to wait for a support member to get back to you. There could be a technical issue with your account, and this will be the only way of fixing this receiving money issue. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.